Marina!
D'aller en pays cap gaspillé. Calon soleil chaud cap gaspillé. Gardez belle tête comme cap gaspillé là. Ça c'est énergie cap gaspillé. Ouelé mamou la le woy. Oh mamou maman woy. Ouelé mamou la le woy. Oh mamou maman woy. Gardez belle garçon cap gaspillé. Gardez belle jeune femme cap gaspillé là. Oh mamou la le woy. Ouelé mamou la le woy. Oh mamou la le woy.
Cigars on ice. Feeling like an animal with these cameras all in my grill. Flashing lights, flashing lights. You got me pity, 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 baby, I want you. Nah, nah. Can't keep your eyes off my pity, daddy, I want you. Nah, nah. Drunk in love, I want you. We woke up in the kitchen saying, how the hell did this shit happen? Oh, baby. Drunk in love, we'll be all night. Last thing I remember is our beautiful bodies running off in that club. Drunk in love, we'll be all night. Boy, it's like a fire. We'll be all night. We'll be all night. And everything alright. No complaints with my body, so fluorescent under these lights. Boy, I'm drinking. Walking in my life, 7-Eleven. I'm grubbing on it, rubbing. If you scared, call that ribbon. Boy, I'm drinking. Keep my brain right. I'm on the brawn, yeah, gangsta white. Louis sheets, he sweat it out like wash rags. Hold it. Boy, I'm drinking. I'm singing. On the mic to my voice, twice, then I fill the tub up halfway, then ride it with my surfboard. Surfboard. Surfboard, graining on that wood, graining on that wood. I'm swerving on that, swerving on that big body, been serving all this, surfing all and it's good. We woke up in the kitchen saying, how the hell did this shit happen?
Oh, babe. Drunk in love, we be all night. Make some noise.
Our beautiful bodies grinding off in that club.
Drunk in love, we be all night.
We be all night.
I'm nice right now. Hold up. I do say it's the shit. If I do say so myself. If I do say so myself. If I do say so myself. Hold up. Stumble all in the house. Time to back up all of that mouth that you had all in the car.
Bon, ça qu'a fait. Si nous comptons, on va applaudir, make some noise.
qu'on aime supposé là soir avec J-Beat, c'est pas vrai? Combien de fanatiques J-Beat qui dans salle là? Ok, nous tous connaissons J-Beat, c'est jazz, c'est pas vrai? J-Beat, ça regarde nous là. Avant de descendre stage là, je plais J-Beat, Montréal a passé avec elle. Qui musique J-Beat tu connais? Si ex moi mandé pour moi. Si ancien homme moi mandé pour moi. That's right. It's getting late, 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 late. I feel to shame. Oh, it's getting late.